This is the front entrance to the Castle Hotel. And here is the back entrance of the hotel, which is right next to the main entrance of Legoland California theme park. The hotel has Lego decorations throughout. There are 250 rooms, and they all have Lego castle theme. Every Lego brick in the hotel tells the story of kingdoms from faraway lands. These are some very cool Lego arts in front of the hotel.
Oh look, the king and the queen riding a horse. Here's the princess, the joker, and here comes the knight. They look really nice and have so many little details, all from the Lego bricks.
Let's go in! This is the hotel lobby. There are fun and playful surprises everywhere, from talking portraits to musical seats. They also have scavenger hunts around the hotel. There is fun around every corner. There's a queen up there that's made out of Lego bricks. Here is a Lego pit right in the hotel lobby. Here you can play with Legos and add on to an existing Lego pole.
Looks like this knight is working really hard guarding the castle. We're in an elevator.
Let's go check out our room. This is separate bed.
Yeah, look, only kids.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so here is where me and Rebecca are staying. I'm staying down here and Rebecca's staying up there.
And my little swishy.
Look at this.
And our own TV?
Wow.
That's awesome.
The room has a separate area for kids with Lego building tables.
I'm playing with the Lego. It's so much fun. And Legos for us to play in. Legos. So much fun.
Okay, let's keep on going. Oh, a mouse and a book made out of Legos. These Legos must take a long time to build.
Yep. And the Legos.
Whoa, here's like the master bedroom. Whoa, it's so fluffy, guys.
Whoa. Oh, I love it. And they even light up.
Oh, here's another TV. Look at this. This is the chest for the treasure hunt that we're going to be doing. Here's the passcode. You just have to do in the right passcode, and then we'll open the box, and there will be a surprise. I wonder what it is. Let's go check out the bathroom. This is so cool. This bathroom is so nice. Look at this torch made out of Legos. Isn't that cool? Oh, look at this drawing right here. It's so nice. Check this out. Look at all those towels. Oh, look over here. Okay, let's check out the shower. There's the shower.
There's the bathtub.
This bathroom is nice.
Yeah, really nice.
Oh, look, they even put a sticker on the toilet paper roll. This is the view from our room. Isn't it nice? We can see Legoland from here. Oh, guys, look, there's the other hotel called the Legoland Resort Hotel.
This is the view from the back of the room.
You can see the play zone for kids down there with a really cool play structure. There's also the pool area, but it's hidden from this view. So we are going on the treasure hunt. The first question is, how many Lego brick-built queens are standing on the balcony in the Grand Hall? Let's go to the balcony. Okay. This is Lego. So 1, okay?
Okay, let's write 1.
how many Lego minifigures are outside the restaurant and bar entry arc? Let's go to the restaurant.
Okay, let's go.
Here is the restaurant. There are so many cool art pieces made out of Lego bricks. We are on the third question. It is, how many purple Lego bricks are on the chandelier in the Grand Hall? Let's go, check it out. Okay, we're on the last question, the fourth one. How many portraits hang above the slide in the Grand Hall? It is right over there. So guys, the answer to the code is 1224. 1 queen standing on the balcony, 2 Lego minifigures outside the restaurant, 2 purple bricks on the chandelier, and 4 portraits above the slide in the Grand Hall. So that's the password, 1224. Guys, we're in jail. Just kidding, we're free. Now we have to go upstairs into our hotel room to put in the code into the safe, and then we can open our prize. Let's go!
Let's go.
We're on the elevator! Okay, we're on the 3rd floor. Let's go. Open up. Let's go. Our room is there. Melody, come on.
I got the purple one over here.
Okay guys, we are back in our room. Here is the safe. We actually found out that the last number wasn't a 4, it was actually a 1. We did it wrong, whoopsie. Okay, let's put in the passcode. 1,
2,
2,
1.
what, Melody?
2, 2.
2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. Melody, do the honor. Put it over.